know, and they go because these are the seats. I think.
Oh my God, Jordan! Yeah, we were sitting here.
Oh, mom was sitting here.
The pilot sit on
The crew.
Crew sits on. Sit down. Let me see. Sit down. Act like you're in the crew. I don't want to get in trouble. No, you're not. Sit down. Sit. It's all right. You're like that. Oh, look, you can climb up.
Oh wow! Oh my gosh!
How uncomfortable.
I know. You better be small. Got a small booty.
Naku, akit kayo?
No.
Grace, ikaw. Oo nga, ako yun. Grace, nababa.
Hey, hold on, guys.
You have to go down there.
Oh. Oh, it's another line.
Oh, we're like cutting.
Oh.
Everything's still up. They're just pausing the line right now. That makes sense. But yeah, well, there's nobody else up here. Yeah, you can go up there. Whatever, 45. Yes, ma'am. I don't know about the flying portion.
You can watch out, Mom. There's a gas.
Actually,
Oh, yeah. You gonna go?